Hi everyone, I'm back and welcome back to a small engineer tutorial. And today we have this Victa two-stroke that I pick up from my neighborhood and one night, and I'll show you the video. Good evening guys, I stopped somewhere. Oh, I can't stop looking on this mower here, some rubbish. But yeah, I think the one is inside is a bridge and straddle, but this one is definitely a Victa two-stroke, so I'll take this one. I think it's I just leave the car here, maybe then I'll walk this mower to my place because it's very close, instead of excuse me. Do you think I'll take this mower? Too much. I already have the mower. What about this one? What is inside? Yes, definitely a bridge and straddle with it's not a big chassis. I'll take a photo of this. Yeah, no, that's okay. I'm happy with the Victa. Okay, so I think I'll take this mower. I'll walk this mower to my place. So I'll just leave the car here. I'll come back. It's blocking the driveway. But anyway, I asked the owner, I mean the household, if I can leave the car temporarily blocking the driveway. It's my neighbor, so my wife won't be won't be happy with this one. As I brought another mower. Why are you taking too much mower? You never fix it. Oh. Okay. Problem is I can't stop taking Victa mowers. That's the problem. So I'm here taking this Victa home. I'll try to fix this one if we can fix this. I'm tired. That's very close. Okay. Here it is. It's too dark, but we don't know if this one's still working, so we're going to go step by step on getting this one started. So obviously I'm going to put a petrol in it and see if it starts, and if it doesn't, then we go through step by step what are the steps or procedure to troubleshoot and to get this one working back to its original working condition. So first of all, we're going to fill up the petrol, and we'll see if we could get this one running. So I have the 25:1 ratio. Okay, we'll see if we could prime this one. Hopefully it won't leak fuel. Well, it's a fuel tap. I think it's closed. The fuel line is really hard and stiff. You can't even flex it. So we need to, obviously I'm going to replace the fuel line if necessary. Okay, let's put in start and see if we could start this one. I'll check if we have the fuel coming through. I need to remove the fuel line. So definitely there's a fuel. So primed again. And we'll see if we can start the engine. So yeah, I can see the reason why this one been thrown away. It's hard to start, or it doesn't start at all. So the first thing to do is we'll see if we have a spark. We'll check the spark plug first because we already checked the fuel. Fuel is flowing. So the next part is we're going to check the spark. So we're going to check if there's a spark. So we need to remove the spark plug. This cover here, the spark plug rubber boot cover, it's worn out, it's cracked. So we may need to replace this one as well. It's really dark. So there's some sort of short on the tip of the spark gap. So if you have a multimeter, it's best to check the spark plug. So you set your multimeter to 2 meg, 1 meg, and then test the continuity from this point here to this part. You should get roughly a meg. Shouldn't have any continuity. So we have 0.2, which is not good. Okay, we have 233 kilo ohms, which is not good. So there's some sort of resistance. So from here to here should be meg. If you look at the meter, let's see if you can see the meter. This part here. Now it's open. Okay, so we definitely need to clean this one and then test it again. Okay, so we'll clean this one. Okay, we'll test it again. So we'll test it from here. Doesn't matter. This side over here to here. So that's all good. And from here to this part here, we should get, if there's some resistance, we set it to 20k. So roughly 10 if you get somewhere around 10k. Yeah, 10k. We get 10k. So there is an internal resistance here of 10k. So this one's okay. So now we're going to, so we can also test the coil if you want to test the coil. So to test the coil, from here in the middle where the contact is, the high voltage tension lead to the chassis, we should get some sort of resistance. That's open. I think it's open. Can't get any reading at all. No. We still also have problem on the ignition lead. So we're going to see if we could access the ignition lead. Yep, there is. So set it to 20k. So 15k. So all good. So there is continuity on the ignition lead. So we can test this one, which is just like bare ignition lead without the cover. Just place this one close to the metallic surface, and then we'll see if we could have a spark. Place as much as close as possible. But not fully, not shorted, but just approximate close. Okay, that will do. We'll see if we can get a spark. That's really good. You can see the spark. Yes. Okay, so we have a new spark plug rubber boot. So we just place this one here. Okay. So we just place the spark plug back. Okay, that will do. Wow, that's easy and it's working. So I was hoping that we could go through some deep troubleshooting or carburetor rebuild to get this one running, but we get it running by just fixing the spark, and there's no spark. So maybe in the future we'll use this mower for now on our normal mowing. So if it fails again, I'll show you how to fix this one. And thanks for watching, and I hope you find this one useful, and I'll see you in my next video. And don't forget to subscribe on the channel and leave a comment if you have any questions. I'll see you next time, and bye for now.